Can I get an amen for V15? Yes, that's 15. That's version 15 for MeldaProduction, and that means an update to their entire 112 plugin catalog. Now, when they presented this concept to me, I was like, 112 plugins, what on earth can I do? So I gave it some thought, and I think I've got an idea that just might work. We'll see. I'm Dan, the self-proclaimed lonely rocker, and welcome to my home studio. Welcome to I Don't Have a Band. If you love making music, you quite possibly are in the right place. So MeldaProduction has just launched version 15, and that means an update to their entire 112 plugin catalog. That's a lot of updates. Now, as many as 35 of them or more got GUI updates, and there's so many updates under the hood that improve on functionality, stability, and compatibility. A lot going on. If you're already an M Complete bundle owner, wow, Christmas just came early. But if you've never heard of MeldaProduction, this might be a good introduction for you. They create some amazing plugins. There's something in their catalog for every aspect of your mix. So definitely check this video out. So what I decided to do, I can't really cover 112 plugins in one video. So what I'm going to do is give you my top 15 MeldaProduction plugin list. That's my favorite 15 plugins. And to keep this simple, I'm going to give you one reason why I like each one of these 15 plugins. Now, if you add that up, that's going to give you 15 reasons to check out at least one MeldaProduction plugin. That's 15 for 15. And to make this interesting, I was kind of curious, what would it sound like if I hit a power chord through all 112 plugins? Well, I'm going to give that a try at the end of the video, so make sure to stick around for that. Number 15. MCabinet is a custom cabinet simulator for guitar and bass that focuses less on specific IRs and more on customizing the sound, giving you an endless number of possibilities. You know that next level claim that some other IR designers make? Well, MCabinet steps on those levels to get to the next level. Number 14. Spectral Dynamics is a dynamics processor that digs into the spectral domain, giving you full control of specific frequencies. I love this plugin because of the way it glues my drums and bass together. Number 13. MMultiAnalyzer is an advanced spectral analyzer and meter with some very useful utilities built in. And it's free. I'll let you know later how to get it. Number 12. Vintage Rotary is a Leslie speaker emulation plugin with some advanced features. On top of being a great Leslie emulation, it's got some built-in tone shaping tools to help you dial in some really killer Leslie effects. Number 11. MAutoDynamicEQ is a 7-band, highly surgical dynamic EQ with auto-listing features and exceptional sound quality. I just love the Areas tab. It's a great tool for newbies, but it also helps you dial into specific frequencies and really speeding up your workflow. Number 10. MUtility is a handy utility tool that provides many basic functions that engineers use every day, like phase inversion and stereo swapping. It's free. Number 9. MTransientMB is a powerful transient shaper. Simply crank the attack and it will find the transients for you. The multi-band feature lets you adjust different components differently, giving you far better results. Number 8. MTurboEQ combines numerous classic EQs but streamlines the functionality so you don't have to fumble through vastly different features. It's an awesome collection of classic EQ emulations, but you have to navigate through the really cryptic names like MSL, MPI, and MEV. Hey, if you're enjoying this video, a simple like goes a long way to supporting this channel, and I would really appreciate that. Of course, you can leave a comment, you can share this video, and ultimately, if you enjoy what I'm doing, hitting the subscribe button and ringing the notification bell. If you want to do a deeper dive with the Lonely Rocker, I am on Patreon. I'll link everything down below. All right, let's get back to the list. Number 7. MPhaser is an advanced phaser plugin with easy-to-use features. Free. Number 6. MUnison is a combination doubler and smart harmonizer, creating simple double tracking to more complex orchestral effects. It can take a single mono guitar that sounds like this and make it sound like this. Number 5. MTurboComp is the ultimate super compressor loaded with a ton of classic vintage emulations. You can assign different vintage compressors to each band. Can you do that with your compressor? Number 4. MTurbo Delay is a crazy, versatile delay plugin with 40 different delays in one plugin. 40 delays in one plugin. That's almost enough to satisfy a guitar player. We're into the top 3 with number 3. MTurbo Reverb is an algorithmic reverb with 100 different reverbs that lets you design your own reverb algorithms. 100 reverbs. I mean, really. Number 2. MLimiterMB is a multi-band limiter and maximizer. While adding loudness, it also adds character and balances the full spectrum. Limiters are designed to make tracks louder, but MLimiterMB makes it louder and sound better. And now for number 1. MMultiAnalyzer is a powerful multi-track spectrum, loudness, and stereo analyzer and sonogram. It's got one specific feature that's been a game changer for my mixes, and that's called collision. It allows you to instantly see where certain frequencies are ganging up, so you know exactly what you need to tackle to clean up your mixes. Well, there's my list. Did I touch on some of your favorites? Did I omit something you think really should be in the list? Let me know in the comments. You'll notice that there was a bunch of freebies there. There's actually more than that. So I'm going to put a link in the description so you can grab your free plugins, and definitely check out the rest of the inventory while you're there, especially if you're new to Melda Production. Well, all that's left is that experiment. I had to figure out how to route my signal through 112 plugins. I got it figured out. It was quite complex, but it's working. All that's left for me to do is just hit that power chord. All right, let's jump in and hear what it sounds like. Well, here goes. If you enjoyed this video, please consider hitting the like button and/or leaving a comment. And if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. Remember, you don't need a band to rock and roll. There are a lot of great musical projects you can do by yourself right from your own home. I hope to see you again in another video.